Hi friends, we're on a hike today. I think it's like almost 4 o'clock right now. We're gonna go see the waterfall. It's really nice. It's starting to warm up here, so that's exciting.
Up the ceiling.
Oh. Ceiling. That's the waterfall.
The water was going, and it was to go to the left side up there.
Yeah.
Tree.
Oh.
Get it. Get that one. Get it. Get it. Get that one. Get that one. Get that one.
It's solid. I can't get it. It's stuck.
To
get you a rock.
You got one? This is not a rock.
That's a rock. Well, we've been here for like 45 minutes just sitting and watching, so we're leaving now. What? Oh. We're leaving now. We're gonna go get something to eat. Ooh, look at the sun. It's making my skin look good. My nose is cold. Mommy's gonna go. Now you're brave because Mommy goes. Good job.
Guys, come on.
We came to a buffet now. What are you doing? Hi guys, so we are going to the train station. We are taking our first train ride here in Utah. We're going to take it to the city. Huh? Hi. So we're about to get on the train and we'll see how this goes. Stay right here.
See the lights on it?
Cool. Look at the train. right, so we made it to Salt Lake. We just got off the train and we're gonna go to a park. And then from there, we don't know. I know we're gonna get donuts at some point, and we might go to City Creek Mall because we've never been there before. So it was a fun train ride.
Hi friends, so we're gonna eat donuts, so let's see.
We got donuts from Mommy. Good? It's okay.
Hi friends, so we're at the restaurant with friends. Let's see.
I'm out of breath because we're walking fast, but we're going to Cheesecake Factory to get dessert, and then we're going back to the train station so we can get home.